guys, welcome to another mukbang with my niece. What's your name?
Oh, Princess.
Princess. So, okay.
This is Volcano. Nagsingot.
Good. Wow, okay.
Wow, okay.
Wow. Let's eat. Let's eat, Day.
Ang init!
Apo sa taday? Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Be. Hindi kaming rice dito. Pak. Pag naanghangan na to si Inday. Sige, Day. Let's eat. Pero di kami itong pork. Wow. Oh. Wow. Thumbnail man na da. Thumbnail ba?
Ow. So good.
Ngani, Day? Okay, go. Cheesy. Did you eat gyoza, Day? Do you eat gyoza? Ha? Dumpling ba na?
Sa balik ako. Ay.
Water.
Sus, gamay kay ko spice tolerance.
Yeah. You're eating this every day. I know you like that one.
Okay. What's up?
Ano lang gamay?
Kuha ko chopstick.
Ha?
Kuha ko chopstick.
Okay. Ay, nakulang sa water. Para murag muhumok ba, no? Wait lang, ha? Nasa sa liquid. Wait lang. Awa, kulang siya. Ay. Be careful. Wala siya. Na. Okay. Let's go ahead. Ulit ka? Right. Uy!
Hapit.
Hangan ka?
Mm.
Sabi na kong di. Because you like carbonara so much.
Gamay man kong spice tolerance.
But you always eat the carbonara. Mhm.
Gamay raman spice ako edit na.
Mabadi ah. Hmm. Lagi nung kumakain ng ganito samyang. Ikaw?
Ha?
Pero hindi mo lang inuubos yung sauce pala. Mm. Are you okay? Hang kayo? Ah. Lami bang?
Lami pero ha.
Ano? May kayo ba? Guys, siya ang nag-request nito. Gusto niya ito mukbang ng carbonara. Pero, yun lang. Anghang na ahangan siya. Pag na-used to ka sa anghang, day, ayaw mo nang kumain ng hindi maanghang. Wala, lahat mo.
Di pa ako kasabot Tagalog.
Ha?
Di pa ako kasabot og Tagalog.
Tay. Ganyan na hindi ang Tagalog. Okay, so if you get used to eating spicy food, you will never like to eat like food that are not spicy. Again. You understand? Oh. Napakainit kasi dito sa labas, guys. Oh. Mm. Very yummy, but very yummy, no? Mm. Mm. Sing kawali. Mahanggal. That's very yummy. My God. Eh. Wait lang. Let's keep drinking water. Or milk later. When I was 7 years old, grabe na ako kumain ng anghang. Mmm. Mmm.
Isipon man ko ano.
Look what you can do it, Dan. You can do it. Ano na tubig? Okay. Na, say goodbye na sa kanila. Thank you guys for watching. Next time.
Thanks for watching.
Not thanks for watching. Magiging ano na yung mo tolerance sa anghang.
Yes.
Bye.
Ooh.